Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Gwyn, and this is the look right now. I actually chopped off my hair and I also got some bangs just for a change of view.
I like the view.
Give myself a new look. I was so done with my really long hair, but now I'm surprisingly wanting it back. So right now I am going to study for an exam, which I'm going to be having later at night, and also I need to answer some activities that I've also missed and do some papers and also watch some lectures that I missed. There's a lot of catching up to do today, and by the way, I look like a Shih Tzu and a Christmas tree all at one. And my face is like breaking out. I did not put any makeup today, or like ever since school started. But yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a pimple patch over the pimple now. Go. Okay. I wanted to show you my notes, and it's so cute because I printed Akashi and Bokuto on the first page. I just love them both so much, and here are my notes. Yep, they're actually kind of small, but the first ones I printed way back were like smaller because the font I used was like insanely tiny. Like, can you see that? It's so small. So I changed it up to slightly bigger font size, and it looks like this now, which is cute. So just a quick little update. My progress with this lecture is undeniably very slow, and I need to not procrastinate because I've just been filming like Instagram videos and watching other things other than my actual lecture. So Gwen, please. Okay, so turns out I have a package that's going to be delivered and I'm going to get it right now. So I'm gonna put on a mask and get it now. Oh my gosh, my face! But I already sanitized the package, and now all that's left is to open it. Quick little background, I actually bought a poster from an artist I've been following for a while now on Instagram, and I really love her works because they're so unique and simple, but at the same time very cute. Oh no, it's a bit crumpled because of the box, but ta-da! Oh, she has a calling card and also a personalized thank you note. Oh, there's also a box. It's so cute. I wonder what's inside. Oh my god! What? Okay, I thought I was only getting the poster, but turns out she has a box filled with postcards of her art, and it's so... How cute is this? just a quick little update. My test is here and I'm so scared. Okay, I'm just gonna answer it now. Here we have it. Oh my god, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. But this is so dramatic. But please wish me luck that by the time you see this, I got a good grade. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. Wait lang. It really hurts. By the way, I found this account on Shopee and they're selling Haikyuu pins and I'm so smitten because they're so cute, and I just decided to check out because people were like buying them and now it's getting sold out every time I refresh it. But yeah, I already bought like 3. Look at how cute they are. They're so expensive and it's so small, but I just decided to get Shrikawa and Akashi and Bokuto. Hey everyone, today I woke up kind of late and it's almost like 11 a.m. I passed one of my papers that I needed to get done, and now I'm just inside the room because it's like pouring rain outside and the lightning was like going inside the house, and my desk is literally right in front of the window. Stuff that I have to get done today. I'm finally done with 2 weeks worth of lectures, and it's actually kind of crazy because I've been focusing much of my energy on this one subject. I mean like 2 other subjects that I totally forgot about the others, which is really bad. But today I decided to finally catch up with them and finish them as soon as I can because exams are happening next week. I'm very confused of what tasks should I do first. I have a quiz. I also have a reflection paper, a written paper due tomorrow because we're gonna have it checked. And I also need to study for an exam this Saturday. It's a lot, you guys, and I'm so overwhelmed right now. The best thing to do in this situation is to watch one episode of My Hero Academia. Also, I just realized that all I literally do in this vlog is just sit down and try to study or like break down while doing something. It's crazy. College is crazy. Run. Hey guys, I just finished my 40-item exam and it was so crazy. We had to take it for like 30 minutes. Isn't that cute? I'm finally done with that. I'm actually very excited because my table has arrived today and I'm planning to put it here in my work area, and it's a lot bigger than the one I currently have. This is what my current setup looks like, and it's just all over the place, but we are going to get it together.
I don't want your love. Don't come to me now. I don't want your love. to me now. I don't want your love. Don't come to me now. I don't want your love.